Campsite number 1. Campsite number 2. Not very big, but it sits a little further back. Campsite number 3 is better. Way back off, but closer to the road though, but more privacy. Campsite number 4, very big. No place for a tent. Number 5. A little more room for a tent. Number 6. It's like maybe a day use area behind number 7 here. Number 8's kind of in the open. 2 parking spots though. Number 9's got a huge parking area with a small area behind it. Number 10, right next to the camp host and the bathrooms. Number 11, camp host. I guess that would be number 12. And number 13. 14 is just next to the camp host, close to the bathrooms. 15 is not too bad, privacy. 16's probably the best one in this loop. Hidden in the trees, pretty private. And that's the end of this loop. Nice bathrooms. Here's the second loop. Spinreel Campground. Number 17, just behind the camp host next to the bathrooms. 18. 19. 20. Huge parking areas. Water. Next to number 20. There's number 21. There's picnic tables behind it. There's 26. Back here. And 25. 27 is really nice. The nicest one so far in this loop. way back off the road and kind of hidden away in the bushes, the trees. 28. And 28, 29, and 30 are really close. So close to each other. Very close. You can see the sand dunes behind. So very close to launch your sand buggy. Just the dunes are just right there. And just over that's the ocean. Or pretty close anyway. $31. And out in the open. 32 as well. In the inner part of the loop there, I'm kind of in the open and close together. $33. All the parking areas have enough for 2 vehicles. $34. There's 34 sits right beside another camp spot. $35 is a little better. It's easier access to the beach. And 36 is pretty nice too. It's got a little more privacy. And then the last spot is 37, which is just next to the spot just across from it, 34, 35. So it's not very private. And that's it. And then bathrooms again and the exit.